Did you know that there could be a hidden commission fee inside of your mutual funds? We're going to get into that in this video. So most people don't know that there's this little hidden fee, and you can talk about whether it's hidden on purpose. I think the name kind of gives it away. It's a fee called a 12b-1 fee. Now, if that's not something kind of buried away somewhere, I don't know what is. But there's a 12b-1 fee that can be on some mutual funds. Now, what that does is that goes to pay the agent an ongoing commission. So a lot of times, like an A share, they'll pay the agent 5.75% up front, or 5%, or sometimes lower, depends on what the load is. And then on top of that, they're going to pay an ongoing 12b-1 fee to the agent. Now, 12b-1 fees aren't necessarily bad. You should just know whether or not you're paying it. So there's two ways you can do that. You can either go online, if you just take your ticker symbol, type it in, go online, click on fees and expenses. It should tell you what your expense ratio is, so your total fees, and then whether or not there's a 12b-1. There's also going to be, that's also going to be there in the prospectus, but it's not going to be on your statement. Very rarely will it be on your statement. The other way that you can find out is just call the company. So the actual company, not your agent, but call the company and ask, am I paying a 12b-1 fee, and what is my total expense ratio? I'm not saying that 12b-1 fees are necessarily bad. In a lot of cases, especially if you didn't pay a load, it's a lot less money to have an advisor or an agent than what an ongoing money manager will charge. A lot of money managers we see will charge anywhere from 0.75 to 2%. So a 0.25% 12b-1 fee isn't necessarily terrible, but you should know whether or not you're paying it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want more information about retirement, investing, making money easy, you can go ahead and click here. Or if you'd like to subscribe, it really helps the channel. And then you also get updates when we release new information. You can click here to do that. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.